In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox One controller to your PC or laptop. I'm going to show you two different ways about wired or wireless. So we're going to start with wireless, and that's connecting it through Bluetooth. Now, to connect it through Bluetooth, you need to make sure your PC or laptop is Bluetooth enabled. At this point, your motherboards and the newer laptops and newer PCs should be able to connect via Bluetooth. So you're going to want to start by going into your Start menu, then going into your settings and then clicking on devices. Or you can search right through the search bar. Just type in Bluetooth and click on Bluetooth and other devices settings. So this brings you right into the Bluetooth section. You can see here all of the mouse, keyboard, pens, extra things that I've already connected and all my audio devices. But we're going to be adding a new Bluetooth device. So click on Add Bluetooth. And then in this section, you want to click on Bluetooth. And then on your controller, you're going to want to click on the Xbox button. And then when the controller starts flashing, you want to click on the top sync button and hold it down until the controller starts flashing even faster. When it's flashing this quickly, that means your Xbox One controller is ready to be paired. So you can see here, it has shown up already. This should pop up after you open it up to be synced. Since my computer recognized it from before, it showed it here as an input. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to connect to my controller. And as you can see on the controller, it stopped flashing. Now it is connected, and now it is good to use for all your PC or laptop games. You can play Minecraft, Fortnite. You can play any game on it with your controller. The next is the wired option. So it's simple. The wired option is connecting through a micro USB at the top of your controller. You take the cable, you connect the micro USB to this end, and then you connect the USB to any USB port on your PC or laptop. Then your controller should be recognized automatically, and you can just jump right into any game that is controller enabled. And it's as simple as that. Go ahead, start playing some of your favorite games. If you have any other tips, tricks, or questions, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy.